Can I customize BONOSS with spacer for Volkswagen? BONOSS owns an independent factory. We provide customer service from 3mm thick to 160mm thick. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or bolt pattern conversion for custom wheels, look no further than BONOSS custom made with spacers. There are a large amount of options with our customized PCD conversion wheel adapters, and thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns can be customized according to your exact requirements. BONOSS Volkswagen with spacers adopts forging process. With aluminum alloy 60626 and aluminum alloy 70756 material. Starting from the raw materials, BONOSS manufacturer produces Volkswagen the best forged aluminum alloy 60626 and 70756 material. Compared with aluminum alloy 60626, the aluminum alloy 70756 with spacers, strength and toughness are also greatly enhanced. Higher performance and strength bring customers a safer use experience. The wheel bolts of BONOSS with spacers are made of forged SCM440 alloy steel, which features high temperature stress resistant structural stability with few harmful elements and few surface defects. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9, which have high strength than stock one. BONOSS forged lightweight parts with spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, such customer service and friendly service, which is your best choice. That's all for today's video. If you want to get a Volkswagen with spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.